Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create quote template in Zoho CRM. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the setup icon. This icon, which looks like a gear, will give you access to a wide range of customization options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Under the customization section, navigate to templates, then proceed to inventory. This is where you'll create your new template. When you're on the quotes page, look for the option that says plus new template. Clicking this will open up a world of possibilities for your quote design. Now you'll be prompted to choose what kind of template you want to create. Here, you can opt for one of the gallery style templates, which are pre-designed layouts that can make the process quicker and easier. Alternatively, if you want complete control over the design, you can go for a blank template, allowing you to build everything from scratch. There's also an option for an HTML or CSS template if you're comfortable with coding and want to customize every detail. Once you've selected your starting point, it's time to dive into designing your template. You'll notice a range of components you can add to your canvas, things like text, tables, images, line items, and more. Drag these elements to build the structure of your quote. Designing is not just about adding components, it's about structuring your quote layout to present information clearly. Make sure to include your company's logo and header at the top for professionalism. Enter client details, the quote date, and quote number for clarity. After you've set up your template, it's pivotal to preview your work. This ensures everything displays correctly with real client data, helping you catch any errors or design tweaks needed. Once satisfied with the look and functionality, finally, click Save and Associate to finalize and start using your template. And that's it. So that is how you can create quote template in Zoho CRM. So that's all for this video. Thanks.